Hello, how are you?
I'm fine.
What is your name?
My name is Marcit Napidisan.
How old are you?
I'm 26 years old.
Are you married?
Married.
How many children do you have?
I have 2 children, 1 boy and 1 girl.
How many are you in the family?
6, the last youngest of the family.
What is your educational attainment?
I am undergraduate of nursing aid
Why do you choose to work in Hong Kong?
because it is the one of the most progressive country.
Have you discussed it already with your family members?
Yes.
Did they agree?
Yes.
Are they supportive with your decision?
Yes.
Are they aware that you will be away for straight 2 years?
Yes.
What is your work experience?
I work of domestic helper for 2 years, 2008 to 2012.
Okay, so how about, do you know how to take care of children?
Yes, playing with them and their support the emotional development, discipline, and teach them the moral conduct.
How about for elderly?
Yes, take
How?
them a bath and feed them. Take them a bath and monitor the vital signs.
Do you know how to cook?
Yes,
Are you willing to learn how to cook Chinese food?
yes,
Are you willing to accept your day off set by your employer?
yes.
Before taking your day off, what are the things that you should check before leaving the house?
I make sure the clean of the house and the light of the electricity.
How will you handle yourself when you feel homesick?
I divert full my attention to work.
Are you willing to finish your contract?
Yes, because I can save the money and support my family.
If ever you receive an emergency call from your family members in the Philippines, what will you do?
I will inform my employer the emergency call and I'll before my decision.
For instance, your employer instructed you to do something, but you don't understand, what will you do?
Beginning for pardon and ask them again.
If ever your employer wants to keep your cell phone during working hours, or even your employer will only allow you to use your cell phone during emergency, is it okay with you?
Yes, because it is an working hour and I need to do my job.
What is the quality of a good helper?
Hardworking, honest, and God-fearing.
Before we close this conversation, do you want to say anything to your future employer?
I am looking forward that you accept me as your helper. I can assure you that I will do my best to do my job. Thank you so much.
Can you give me an example of a nursery rhyme?
London Bridge is falling down, falling down, falling down. London Bridge is falling down, my fair lady. Build it up with stick and stone, stick and stone, stick and stone. Build it up and stick and stone, my fair lady.